Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. So basically in today's video we're gonna learn this AGGR trade, how to spot the bottoms or the tops on BTC through the tape or through the spot or perpetual buyings. First of all, have a look on this chart, what's actually happening over here. This gray one is your price action. This gray one is your price action. This blue one is your spot line, the buying or the selling of spots, and this red one is your perpetuals line, right? This red one, here it is written perpetual spot. This one is your delta spot. Just have a look on my pointer. This one is your delta spot. This one is your delta perpetuals. And these are some of the exchanges. For example, look at Coinbase, BitMax, Binance Spot, and we have Binance Perpetuals. That line is below this one. Bitfinex Perpetuals, Bitfinex Spot, Bybit, and these are like all of these exchanges from where the trading is ongoing. This one is your spot volume, Coinbase, Bybit, Bitmax, Binance Spot. This one is your spot tape, and this one is your perpetuals tape. So what's actually going on this chart? Just have a look on like what happened in the past. Like look at here. We are just going to scroll it a little bit, scroll it back. What we can see here, the data is being loaded. This is small time frame. You can only get an idea that the price is basically going down or up through the spot buying or perpetuals buying. For example, have a look at this. Now, right now, the spots are continuously reducing since the price has started coming back down from the levels of 23.9k. Look at the price basically started coming back down from 23.9k, but the spots were already rejecting back since the past move. Like from this one, the spots were continuously coming down. The data is not loaded completely, but the reason is because we are looking at small chart and the live data only comes for some like uh 2 hour, 3 hour, or the 4 hour of what actually happened previously. And just have a look at here that the spots are currently not buying. Binance spot is down. Bybit, these are basically your perpetual and spot mixture. So the Bybit are already going longs. So I don't think so. The price is basically starting to go to new highs from here. Probably one more push to the downside, like below 22.5k, something like that. So look at here. Look at here. How we can basically find look at what actually happened over here. The price basically started going back upward from this level, right? When we had this pump, after that price started moving back towards the upside on this lower time frame pattern, right? Look at this, what actually happened. The spot actually bought at those levels. The spot bought at those levels, and at that point spot actually kept holding, right? Here, look at my pointer. At this point, the spots kept on holding, but the perpetuals, these are your delta perps, perpetuals shorted. Alright, they shorted because they thought that this whole move is going to the downside. And then the price slowly kept back grinding to the upside because the spots were buying and the perpetual shorts were closing. Look at this. Why perpetual shorts were closing? Because they were basically trapped on this level of price action. Then the price started moving back to the upside from 22.5k till 23.3k. That's a very great margin for a scalp long. So same happening on these charts. Now after that, every move to the upside, the spots were rejecting. Look at this blue line. Look at this blue line. The spots were rejecting, so we did not took any long after that. Even after here, when we had the last pump of 23.8k, the spots were continuously rejecting, and that upside move was based on the perpetuals. Look at this. Look at the pointer. I'm basically trying to make a circle over here. Look at the pointer. This was basically your perpetuals move to the upside, like people long blindly, and then that was kind of trap. Then again, what happened on this move to the upside? Look at here, the blue line. Look at here, the blue line went up, means the spot started to buy along with perpetuals, and then there was a slow grind to the upside, slow grind to the upside. And look at here, this was top of spots. After that, the spots are continuously rejecting. Spots are continuously going down, and spots are below perpetuals. This is perpetual one. This is basically indication of the perpetual line, the red one, and the blue one is the spot one. Look at the spots are basically below the perpetuals, so the spots are continuously rejecting even till now. Also now looking onto the chart, what we can have on the lower time frame, have a look at removing indicators, removing everything. We don't have a MSP. This is our lower high, right? What you have to look at, I still think so we are going down. So just have a look on lower time frame. I think so that it's gonna go down again. Look at here, what's actually happening. This is your MSP. In case the price goes back up, closes some candles over here, and then we might long over here. We might long if we see a good push up to the push up from the spot ones from the blue line. So this will be a basically very good trigger. This gives you something like 30 or 40% more confidence along with the price. So this is how I basically use. Some more things are, you have to look at the Coinbase buying, because the Coinbase is basically an exchange where whales are buying or the institutions are buying. You have to follow on Coinbase buying. I remember when BTC was around $15,800, $16,000. I made a video where I said that the Coinbase is buying rapidly and this is a trap and we're gonna go back to the upside. Uh, and same thing I'm saying today. Same thing I'm saying today, that we Coinbase is basically not buying. The spots for the long term or the mid term are not buying. Mid term are taking profits. They will even take more profits around 26, 28K. So we have to be very cautious again, because we can go sub 20K. So this is all based on the charts, nothing. I don't have any gut feeling right now. Look at the perpetuals. Perpetuals are buying because they don't want to miss the next move, but without spot we can't even have the next move. So the Bybit ones, these all exchanges are basically just following the trend of Coinbase, Binance, and you guys can simply just have a look on this one, the main one, and you can get an idea about what can come next, what's coming next. So this is just a plan. Sorry, this is just a learning video of how to use the AGGR trades. And if someone wants this template, it's given into the Discord group. I will also share right now. You guys can get from the Discord group. Uh, Thank you, everyone. Let's have a proper update today after this one. I'm gonna make a proper update on BTC alts and some other coins today, inshallah.